Another story that my father used to tell was about his, because I asked my father, if your father in Poland was so rich, because, you know, we grew up poor, but his father in Poland, he was very rich. So if your father in Poland was so rich, how come he didn't send some money to Palestine and bought an orchard, a piece of land, a house? So he said to me, too bad he didn't, because I wish he did, so I would have had something. But he said that his father, who was Orthodox, went to the rabbi to consult with him. And the rabbi's answer was, Wart, wait. When Messiah wird kommen, wird es sein beginnen. When Messiah will come, it will be free. Now, I don't think that my grandfather was stupid, but this was the attitude of the Orthodox Jewry in those days. They did not want to follow Dr. Benjamin Herzl on his vision for a new land. And he was waiting for the Messiah. Now, some Jewish people decided to wait for the Messiah in Israel.